So this is my Tesla. I love it. I will say, guys, the Tesla, the biggest surprise to me is how much it actually can help you on an everyday basis. I'm somebody that is on the road a lot. I travel a lot. So the self-drive feature, prime example, when I'm going to different shipment locations where I pick up crates of products from overseas, I usually have to drive like maybe 1 or 2 hours. Sometimes I could just self-drive there without having to just drain myself, because then I gotta come back and film. Also, another thing I like is I like the fact that it's spacious. I never thought these would be as spacious as they are, but I've had my children in the car. I've also had other people in the car, no issues. I feel completely comfortable in here. Now, when it comes to maintenance, that was one of the reasons I actually got the Tesla, is because I did not want to have to deal with a bunch of maintenance. Now, of course, the maintenance that I will have to deal with the Tesla eventually is going to be expensive from my assumption, but I enjoy it. The charging aspect, and just to give you guys an example, right? So I was paying around for my Jeep and my Nissan. I paid around $90 for my Jeep to fill. For my Nissan, I paid around $40 to $50, right? For this, for me to fill it, $12. And now let's talk about the trade-off. The trade-off is definitely time, because instead of just going to the gas pump and me being able to just fill it up, I have to sit for probably like 30 minutes and wait for it to charge. I charge my Tesla every single night because I do drive that much. Every single night I charge it. I'm probably at like 100 or 75 every day, and then I always end up around like 23%. Okay, now I'm not talking about mileage, because I don't even use my Tesla and look at the mileage. I only use it and look at the battery percentage. But I enjoy it. I'm not a Tesla savant. I don't know everything about Tesla, so it's like a brand new experience for me. Speaking of the experience, right? So one thing I will say, I first got this Tesla, and I'm gonna tell you guys the bad part. The next day, the right camera stopped working. It was like a repeater camera issue. That's what it said, and that was concerning. Now, I got this from a used car dealership. I did not go to Tesla because they were trying to make me wait for a month to get it. I think that was my only, or could be my only downfall, knock on wood, right? But I like the fact that I'm able to like do a bunch of things on mine. I have the premium. I have all of the upgrades available that I can purchase on here, and I enjoy them all. I like everything, man. I like the dash cam aspect. I like the fact that it could make sure that my car is being monitored. There's the theater aspect, me being able to watch stuff. So when I'm with my kids and maybe they have to sit in a car for a second, or maybe we're waiting for a shipment to come, or maybe I'm just waiting for a client. I'm waiting for a buyer because the buyers be taking a while. So let's say I'm waiting for a buyer. One thing I do like is I like the fact that the buyer doesn't need to hurry up, because I'm chilling in the wheel. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go watch some YouTube. And like, these little small things matter to me. Like, I can go ahead and watch some YouTube. I can go ahead and watch Netflix. All of those things matter to me. Now, what is some negatives? I don't like that I don't have a sunroof, I guess, but I like my roof. I just got my windows tinted with some ceramic tint. I'm scared to get my top windows tinted because I don't want the tint to crack my windshield or my roof. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that. But overall, y'all, I love this car. I love everything about it. It's very spacious. But yeah, it's a really good car, man. It's a really good car, and this is only the beginning. I feel like this made me want to hustle harder. And I'll tell you guys, man, I've been telling my friends, I've been telling a lot of people that I wanted my Tesla. Everybody has consistently, I don't think, believed me. And it kind of made me not believe that I'll be able to get my Tesla either, right? Especially with the fact that my credit was shot because I totaled the car. That was like the biggest thing. It's like, damn, I'm gonna have to pay $40,000 to $50,000 just straight out. And just doing that expense on a car while I have kids and I have a business and rent and a bunch of like multiple rents, and you got to pay people, and it's like those expenses have to come first before a car, right? So like that was sort of kind of scaring me, but I was able to just hustle, man, and get it done. And I wanted to film this video because I never thought I would film this video. And I also never thought that, I could do this literally on my own for my own business. I think that's what the shocker, in my opinion, is that this is all from my business. When you do things with your own company, from your work, sweat, tears, that's when the stuff really, 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 really matters, because a lot of people don't see you when you're struggling and when you really, really doubting yourself. And yeah, I can't wait to show you guys just the behind the scenes. I want to show you guys me attempting to help my kids build their first business. And I want to be consistent. I don't want to be consistent for the views. I want to be consistent just for myself. Like I was going to say for the kids, but no, I want to be consistent for myself. I can't be consistent for anybody if I'm not consistent for myself. So yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching, man. I appreciate you guys. And I hope to see you guys in the next video.